Here's how to check if your TV is set to Dolby Atmos or not. First is go to the all settings of your TV. Afterwards, go to the channels and inputs option. Once you're already on the channels and inputs option, go to the inputs option itself. Afterwards, you will be redirected to the inputs that you have. If you check on HDMI 1, there is only Blu-ray, cable, DVD, game console, auxiliary, and custom name that you have. It means Dolby Atmos has not been seen. If you also check it on HDMI 2, Dolby Atmos cannot be seen also. If you check to the HDMI 3, Dolby Atmos cannot be seen even to the AV option. If you cannot see Dolby Atmos under the inputs of your television, it means it is not set up to your television. And that's how simply to check if Dolby Atmos has been registered, supported, or has been set up to your television.